I am all out of my Armor All tire gloss or tire dressing, and I got one tire done. So I'm going to show you today how to make a quick replacement. I'm just going to be using mineral spirits and silicone oil. So I'm going to make an 80-20 blend, and first I only have a little bit of dimethicone left, so I'm going to pour that into this beaker and we'll see how much I have. So I ended up with about 42 grams left of the silicone oil in the lab. Now, if I take 42 grams and I divide that by 20%, now I can figure out my batch size. 42 divided by 0.2 equals 210. So I can make a 210 gram batch of solvent-based tire dressing with this recipe. So 210 minus 42 equals 168. So now I can tare this, and I'm going to add 168 grams of mineral spirits. Alright, so I added a little bit too much, but that's okay. This is not a pharmaceutical, it's simply a tire dressing. So now we just want to make sure it's good and mixed. So I'm using a stir plate and a magnetic stir bar. And if you can see that, you can see the thickness of the oil, but it is pretty quickly going into solution. So we'll let this mix for about 5 minutes. So it's been about 5 minutes and our tire dressing is completely mixed. So we can turn that off. And I'm just going to use this old container. So now I'll just very carefully pour it in. Okay. And now we'll just put our stem back on. And now we have about a half a bottle of tire shine, so I can go finish my vehicle. Now this is going to work really well. If you wanted to make this yourself, I'll put a list of, or I'll put some recommended ingredients that you can buy on Amazon in the description. Also, if you wanted to make a commercial grade water-based tire shine, I'll put a link to where I put together that professional formula. So if you really wanted to make this and sell it in a water-based coating, I'll show you how that's done. I'll put a link in the description to an article I wrote on how to do that. All right, let's check the performance of our new coating. It goes on nice and consistently, and just like the water-based, I'm just gonna gently go around it twice. I will say it looks glossier already than the water-based product. Very shiny. But I'm going to drive home now and we'll see after driving it for a while how it looks. Here's a shot of the Armor All, which was done yesterday, and we had some rain this morning, so it looks like it's already starting to kind of wash off the tire. So again, there's the silicone oil applied with mineral spirits. That looks great right now. Let's see how it holds up. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.